Hello student, today we will try the relationship between EMF and terminal potential difference. So we have drawn the two diagram to compare this EMF of difference between EMF and terminal potential difference. So what is EMF and terminal potential difference? EMF is here when the circuit is open. We have connected this cell with the internal resistance R, small r, and these two are connected. These two R and external resistance R are connected in series. So when the circuit is open, then the potential this voltmeter connected here give the value of the EMF of the cell. When circuit is open, then the voltmeter connected here give the value of EMF of the cell. And in second circuit, when the circuit is closed, then the voltmeter connected here across this cell and external this internal resistance R is give the value of the this potential voltmeter give the value of the potential difference. This is called terminal potential difference when the circuit is closed, and when the circuit is open, the voltmeter connected here give the value of the EMF. So when the key is here, when the key is open, means no current is drawn from the cell. Here current, when circuit is open, no current will be drawn from the cell. So this voltmeter, at that time this voltmeter connected here will give the value of the EMF, and here we have write E. Potential difference B, here give the value of the EMF E. Now when the key is closed, now in this circuit the key is closed. So when the key is closed, current is drawn from the cell, and that current is given by, now here E is the EMF of the cell, that is the potential difference, and I is equal to E upon R plus small r. What is R plus small r? Small r is the internal resistance and capital R is the external resistance, and these two resistance are connected in series. So these are the effective resistance, means total resistance here is R plus R. Now here I is equal to E upon R plus R. So from here E is equal to, this term on the left side becomes E is equal to I into R plus small r. Means internal resistance connected to the external resistance. Therefore here the potential difference, now this internal resistance is connected to the external resistance capital R, and I is the current flowing through this circuit. I is the current, here I is the current flowing through this circuit, positive to negative. So here according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, means when I is the current flowing through the circuit, R is the resistance, and the potential applied across, we know according to Ohm's law, potential applied across the two ends of the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through the circuit, that is V is equal to I R. So from equation 1, E is equal to, put this value, E is equal to IR plus IR, small r. So what is IR here? IR is equal to V plus IR. So V is equal to E minus IR. V is equal to E minus IR. So if the circuit is open, means current is not flowing through the circuit, that is I is equal to 0. So at that time V is equal to E. Therefore terminal potential difference equal to the, in this case when current I is equal to 0, so V is equal to E, means potential difference is equal to EMF of the cell. In what case? In the open circuit. Now we have to determine the internal resistance. So to determine the internal resistance, again we know the value of I is equal to E upon R plus R. put the value of now, and again V is equal to IR. Put the value of I in this equation. I is equal to E upon R plus R. Put here V is equal to E upon, at the place of I, put E upon R plus R into capital R. So from here, bring this term on this side. V into R plus capital small r is equal to E R. Now multiply this BR plus this B into small r is equal to into R. So B of R is equal to ER minus BR. B of R is equal to capital R is common, E minus B. So from here we have to calculate R. So divide this term with both side with a V. So we get here, divide this term by V. Here V cancel out and we get R is equal to capital R into E upon a V, because we have to divide on both sides with V. E upon V minus B upon V. So V upon V is equal to 1. Small r is equal to R into E upon a V minus 1. So this is the relation between capital this R, external resistance and internal resistance of the cell.